Comedian and actor Kevin Hart is known for his high-energy performances and infectious laugh, but what you might not know is that he's also a serious car enthusiast. Not just any car enthusiast, but impressive ones at that. What makes Hart's collection impressive and one of a kind is the several numbers of custom-made classic muscle cars, each with unique names that line up his garage. In today's video, let's peek at 10 of the most impressive muscle cars from the comedian's garage. The 1958 C1 Corvette, featured as the first entry on this list, is not just a car, it's an embodiment of mid-century Americana, a symbol of a time when American automotive design was sleek, daring, and built to last. This mint-condition example, restored and customized by Mark Bolin and the talented team at Bent Custom, is a rolling tribute to the legacy of the Corvette, blending timeless design with modern performance. Every detail of this vehicle has been meticulously crafted to uphold its status as a true icon. The phrase mint condition perfectly captures the essence of this 1958 Corvette. The exterior is a stunning showcase of vintage elegance, featuring the signature styling of the C1 generation, sleek curves, bold chrome accents, and unmistakable mid-century flair. The car's an absolute masterpiece, retaining the classic look of a 1950s sports car, but underneath that polished surface lies a powerhouse of modern technology, making this Corvette an exceptional blend of the old and the new. This Corvette holds the distinction of being the oldest car in Kevin's collection, and acquiring it was no small feat. Kevin spared no expense, purchasing the car for an impressive $825,000 in 2021, recognizing its unique combination of classic beauty and contemporary performance. The car was completely transformed, and every element of the restoration was executed with precision. Beneath the hood, the transformation becomes apparent. Gone is the original engine, replaced by a 6.2-liter V8 engine from the C8 Corvette, producing an impressive 460 horsepower. This modern powertrain breathes new life into the vintage vehicle, offering a thrilling performance that is both exhilarating and refined. To complement this upgraded engine, the car is now paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and optimal driving dynamics that surpass the original mechanical capabilities of the C1 Corvette. The suspension and braking systems have also undergone extensive upgrades, bringing this classic to modern standards of performance and safety. The cockpit features the same mid-century charm with updated comforts and technology that complement the exterior's classic lines. Next on the lineup is Hellraiser. Designed by the renowned SpeedKore, the next masterpiece in Kevin Hart's collection is a true automotive beast, aptly named Hellraiser. This Mopar monster stands out as a powerful force on the road, drawing attention from every angle with its striking presence and monstrous performance. With a name like Hellraiser, it's no surprise that this car was designed to be a force to be reckoned with, and every detail screams fierce performance. At the heart of this incredible machine lies a 7.0-liter Elephant V8 crate engine, a fitting name for a power plant capable of delivering an astonishing 1,000 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque. The Elephant engine's a Mopar legend, a modern-day powerhouse that combines raw muscle with precision engineering. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Hellraiser is built to take on any challenge with seamless shifting and the ability to harness its immense power. But raw power alone isn't enough for a car like this. SpeedKore has ensured that the Hellraiser is as capable as it is potent. The front suspension's built with Detroit Speed and Woodward components, guaranteeing both strength and precision. This allows for optimal handling and stability, even when unleashing all that horsepower. The Hellraiser's interior continues the car's theme of performance-driven design, boasting a sleek yet Spartan black and red leather aesthetic that gives the cockpit a high-performance feel. The seats are Recaro bucket seats, known for their racing pedigree, and are fitted with racing harnesses to keep the driver firmly in place during high-speed runs. While the focus is on performance, the interior is designed to give just enough comfort and style to complement the car's raw power, ensuring the driver feels every bit as fierce as the machine they're behind the wheel of. Next up is Michael Myers. Hart's 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, which was made possible thanks to a collaboration with the automotive wizards over at Salvaggio Design. This Halloween-inspired machine sits on a custom chassis with Detroit Speed suspension and HRE wheels. Like Hellraiser, it boasts a modified Elephant engine, this time turning about 940 horsepower through a Tremec 60/60 6-speed manual transmission that Kevin personally requested. Also similar to Hellraiser, Michael Myers sends that power to a 9-inch Ford rear axle. Stopping is handled by 14-inch rotors and 6-piston calipers up front, and 13-inch rotors clamped by 4-piston calipers out back. This Halloween-themed vehicle doesn't just perform, it stands out in style. It won the Good Guys Rod and Custom Muscle Machine of the Year award in 2022 and was on display at Meguiar's booth at SEMA. Black and orange accents dominate the design, including blood splatter patterns in the front seats. At this point, we have Bad News next, which fortunately refers to his 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This satin black stunner was originally built by Timeless Customs around a decade ago, but was recently stripped down by the company to ensure that everything was in good working order before building it up into the magnificent beast it is today. Bad News now features flush-mounted front and rear glass, a new splitter beneath the front bumper, and a rear diffuser. The powertrain of this beast is nothing short of extraordinary, designed to deliver unrelenting performance. At its core lies a D-stroke 380 cubic inch LS7 V8 engine, a highly capable power plant that's been carefully tuned for maximum performance. The LS7, known for its durability and raw muscle, has been engineered to unleash even more potential with this modification. The result is an engine that is not only powerful but exceptionally responsive, ready to push the car to its limits. Mated to this engine is a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, a perfect match for those who crave the connection of shifting gears manually. This transmission offers precise control and the ability to fully exploit the engine's power, allowing the driver to feel every moment of the car's acceleration and power delivery. Boosting performance even further are the two 68mm Turbo NetX ball-bearing turbos, which inject a new level of intensity into the driving experience. These turbos are highly efficient, providing 650 horsepower, a figure that pushes the car into true performance car territory. The precision-engineered turbos are designed to deliver instant throttle response and create a dynamic driving experience, ensuring that the car has the muscle to back up its striking looks. Despite its name, Bad News does not disappoint when it comes to the car's interior. The interior, designed by Sean Smith, features a bespoke baseball glove-colored leather cabin, a roll cage, and inviting bucket seats with racing harnesses. Further into the collection, we have the 1965 Ford Mustang, which is one of the most iconic vehicles to roll out of Ford's Rogue complex. With its sporty design, affordable price of $56,700, and countless customization options, it became an instant classic, appealing to a broad audience. More than 1 million units were sold within 2 years of its April 1964 debut. Kevin Hart's 1965 Mustang, however, is far from ordinary. The Restomod, produced by the experts at Revology, reimagines the classic pony car with a modern twist. Unlike the straightforward Mustang convertibles of the 1960s, Hart's version is equipped with a 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine from the current Mustang GT, offering a robust 225 horsepower. There are also some simple mods like a push-button start, a fresh black paint job, and reliability services for the chassis. Let's move on to the 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback, famously known as Eleanor, was originally built for the 2000 movie Gone in 60 Seconds starring Nicolas Cage. Finished in its signature gray, only 3 of these iconic cars remain in circulation. Hart's version was brought to life by Stealth Motorworks, a project that took nearly 2 years to complete. According to Hart, nothing in the car is stock. Every component was replaced with new custom-built performance parts. Power comes from an all-aluminum 427 cubic inch V8 producing 650 horsepower. Handling was also kept in mind when building this ride, as there's independent suspension on all 4 corners. The interior features black leather seats with visible stitching, a dashboard that combines analog gauges with modern technology elements, a sporty leather steering wheel, and polished metal details on the doors and dashboard. Moving on to the next piece in the collection is the Pontiac GTO. In 1964, Pontiac made history by introducing the high-performance GTO package for the Le Mans. Both the first and second generation GTOs are celebrated as muscle car icons, so it's no surprise that Kevin Hart chose one for a Restomod project. Entrusted to the experts at Detroit Speed in Mooresville, North Carolina, the project was aptly named Droppa after Kevin's rap name Chocolate Droppa. The finished car, one of the comedian's only customs that are not black, received a Mercedes Mystic brown paint in reference to his rap name. Featuring a thoroughly customized body and a bespoke chassis, the Droppa is powered by a limited edition supercharged Chevrolet LT5 crate engine. Paired with a custom Tremec Magnum 6-speed manual transmission from Bowler Performance, the engine remains unmodified, delivering an impressive stock 750 horsepower, more than enough to satisfy Hart's performance expectations. The next car on this list, the 1970 Plymouth Barracuda, is no longer part of Kevin Hart's collection, but its significance earns it a place here. Built by SpeedKore, this custom muscle car underwent several engine changes over its lifetime. Ultimately, Kevin settled on a 6.2-liter Hemi V8 from the Dodge Demon, delivering over 800 horsepower. Hart acquired the car in July 2019, but in September of that year, the car was involved in a severe crash. The wreck was so catastrophic that the driver had to be cut out of the vehicle, and Kevin underwent back surgery for a fractured spine. Surviving such a harrowing accident marked a pivotal moment in his life. It made him see everything from a different perspective and value the things that truly matter. Back to classic 60s muscle cars and the second convertible Corvette on this list. This is one of the few custom vehicles in Kevin's garage to not have a nickname, as far as we can tell. There's not much information around about it, but a look under the hood and at the badging on the hood bump itself reveals that power comes from a naturally aspirated Chevrolet LS3 engine from a Corvette C6. A Wildwood Breakmaster cylinder hints that the stopping power is there to match the horses, as with Kevin's other vehicles. The interior is an eye-catching shade of red that matches the bodywork. The final show-stopping piece of Kevin Hart's automotive collection is undoubtedly his Grand National GNX, affectionately nicknamed the Dark Knight. This masterpiece wasn't even seen by Kevin until it was revealed in the MagnaFlow booth in 2022, creating a sense of suspense and excitement surrounding its unveiling. True to its name, this car is inspired by the caped crusader himself, Batman. Every detail, from the sharpened body lines to the BASF black paint, is designed to evoke the menacing and mysterious aura associated with Gotham's protector. The car exudes a dark, aggressive presence, making it a fitting tribute to the iconic superhero. The exterior design alone commands attention, with the sleek angular body lines paying homage to Batman's sharp and tactical look. The BASF black finish creates a glossy, shadowy appearance that complements the overall sinister vibe. This dark aesthetic is further enhanced by subtle yet powerful design elements that nod to the superhero's suit and cape. The menacing vibe of the car is undeniable, and every inch of its exterior exudes stealth, power, and authority. Inside, the interior is where the true Batman influence shines through. The cabin is tastefully modernized, featuring blue, bronze, and gray tones mirroring the hues of Batman's iconic suit and cape. These colors create a sense of depth and character within the cabin, making it not just a car, but a thematic experience. The interior also includes a custom 3D printed dashboard, which houses Holley gauges, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with the sleek superhero-inspired design. Every detail is carefully crafted to ensure that sitting behind the wheel of this car feels like stepping into the Batmobile itself. But as much as this car is about looks and design, performance is just as important. Kevin Hart, known for his love of driving in high-performance vehicles, made sure the Dark Knight isn't just about aesthetics. The stock V6 engine was swapped for a much more powerful 3.6-liter V6 engine from a Cadillac ATS-V, giving this car a significant boost in both power and performance. The engine takes full advantage of the stock intercooler, but the original twin-turbo setup was replaced with a single turbo, optimizing performance and efficiency. This powertrain upgrade transforms the Grand National GNX into a machine that not only looks like a superhero's ride, but also drives like one. There you have it, Kevin Hart's top 10 muscle car collection. But here's the thing, we've only scratched the surface of Hart's incredible collection. For more of the story, like and subscribe to this channel.